Welcome to AI Alchemy with Annie, the only podcast where we put AI tools through their paces, ask the hard questions, and occasionally set things on fire in the name of science. I'm Annie. Basically, I live in a lab for a living and I test things. Together with my furry orange tabby assistant, Astro, who is apparently certified in judging everything silently from the corner, it's a whole vibe. Today is our very first episode. We are so excited to have you with us, which means we also need to do the whole let me tell you what this show is all about thing. But, and this is important, I refuse to do that alone because talking to yourself is only fun for about 45 seconds, you know what I mean? So I have called in a favor from a friend, Blake Simpson. Say hello to the people.
Hey, everyone. Yeah, Annie called it a favor, but what actually happened is she showed up at my door with coffee and a very detailed PowerPoint presentation about why I had to be here.
Oh my gosh, it was 3 slides, Blake. Hardly a PowerPoint, more of a strongly worded visual argument, I'd say.
One of the slides had my face on it with the word perfect underneath it.
And I stand by that slide. You are perfect for this. You're exactly who I make this show for.
Someone who doesn't really know what they're doing.
Someone who's curious. There's a difference, a big difference, huge.
Okay, fair. So what is this show exactly? Like, give it to me straight.
Right? Okay. So here's the thing about AI right now. It is everywhere. You can't scroll for 30 seconds without someone telling you that AI is going to change your life, revolutionize your business, do your laundry, walk your dog, write your novel.
Has it written any novels?
Oh, some truly terrible ones, yes, but also some surprisingly decent ones, which is a whole other conversation for another day. The point is, there is so much noise. Every week there's a new tool, a new app, a new this will change everything announcement. And most people like you, Blake.
People like me.
Everyday, intelligent, busy humans who have actual things to do. Most of those people, they just don't have the time to wade through all of it, right? They just need to know, is this worth my time? Is it worth my money? Will it actually help me? Or am I going to be spending the next 3 days just trying to figure out how to work this stupid thing and end up more frustrated than when I started and no further off?
Okay, yes, that is literally me. I signed up for like 4 AI tools last year, and I think I actively use, I don't know, maybe 1.
Which one?
ChatGPT, and mostly for helping me write emails.
Oh, classic. Yep. Totally valid. We're going to talk about ChatGPT very soon, by the way.
Oh, yeah? Is it good?
It depends.
That is the least helpful answer you could have ever given me.
Welcome to AI Reviews. Everything depends. That's the whole point. Depends on what you need, depends on how you use it, depends on whether you figured out how to actually talk to these things.
Wait, there's a way to talk to them?
Oh, buddy, yeah, there's absolutely a way to talk to them. And that's part of what we cover here. So, AI Alchemy with Annie. Here's what we do. I test AI tools thoroughly in the lab with Astro supervising and judging, of course. And then I come back and I tell you exactly what I found. What's brilliant, what's messy, what surprised me, and what made me want to flip my damn desk.
Does Astro ever help with the testing?
Astro mostly naps and occasionally knocks things off the table at critical moments. He's more of a moral support situation.
Oh, respect.
We also do tutorials, yes. Actual walkthroughs of how to use these tools so you're not just staring at a blank screen wondering what to type. We do deep dives. We do comparisons. We do, is this actually worth the subscription breakdowns? Because some of these tools cost real money, man. And you deserve to know before you hand over your credit card what you're getting.
That part I really appreciate. I feel like I've been bamboozled by a few quote unquote free trial situations.
We have all been bamboozled, Blake. It's a rite of passage in the AI world, but ideally, after hanging out with us for a while, you will get bamboozled a whole lot less.
So you're basically like the friend who actually knows his stuff and will tell you the truth.
That might just be the nicest way anyone has ever described what I do and this show. And this is our very first episode, so it's barely just launched. So yes, exactly that. The friend who did all the homework so you don't have to, but will also tell you honestly when something is amazing and when something has some quirks worth knowing about before you dive in.
What about stuff that's just bad?
Oh, it gets the lab report it deserves, believe me. Listen, I'm not here to trash things for sport. That's not useful to anybody, and it doesn't do anybody any good in the long run. But if something doesn't deliver what it promises, or if there's a better option for less money, you're going to hear about it. Kindly, professionally, with maybe one or two dramatic sound effects.
I feel like the sound effects are going to be a lot.
Astro operates the soundboard.
Wait, the cat operates the soundboard?
He has very good timing, mostly.
Okay, so AI Alchemy with Annie. Testing AI tools, tutorials, honest reviews, the occasional cat sound effect. So what's first?
Oh, we are starting with a big one. Next episode, ChatGPT versus Claude, head-to-head in the lab. May the best AI win.
Oh my gosh, have I got opinions about this?
You use one tool for emails.
I have developing opinions.
And that is exactly the energy we need around here. Developing opinions, open minds, and a genuine curiosity about what these tools can do for real humans living real lives. Thank you for being here, Blake.
Thanks for the PowerPoint. I mean, genuinely, it was very persuasive.
3 slides, man. Very efficient.
The one with my face was a nice touch.
I thought so. So that's it for our welcome episode. As I said, we are still building our online presence. So keep an eye out and subscribe, not describe. Okay. Whatever. Anyway, subscribe to wherever you get your podcasts. Let me start that again. That's it for our welcome episode. As I said, we are still building our online presence. Sorry, let me try that again. So keep an eye out and subscribe wherever you get your podcasts. Follow us on YouTube and come hang out at artemisandtim.com/AI-alchemy-with-Annie, where I post full written reviews, tutorials, and all the lab reports. Astro, say goodbye to the people. He's very expressive. We'll see you next time.